Information and Communication Technology, the ICT course. We're just going to look at the overview and what you expect to learn or what you expect to find in this course when you get enrolled. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my account, although I'm logged in as the administrator, but you have a similar interface. So this is our course, Information Communication Technology, or ICT 4011. So let me just close this up so that we see the topics that you expect to learn. Alright, so basically this course is divided into 6 units. So in each unit you're going to find information related to, like the title. You can see each unit has a title. For example, the first unit focuses on Introduction to Computers. So first of all, we're going to look at the general information. In the general information here you have the course chart. So basically, when you get enrolled into this course, you are also going to have other classmates or other coursemates. Yeah, you want to chat with someone, or maybe you have a question and you want maybe to ask your fellow coursemates instead of the instructor or the teacher. You can basically go to the course chart. Basically just type in your message here. Let me say hello or welcome to Foxtel. Okay, so basically if there is another person online, they will be able to see your message, and here it will show your name. Instead of Foxtel, it's going to show your name, and you can like chat. It's just like a basic chat for our course. And away from the course chart, we also have the syllabus. So you can look at the syllabus to know what you expect to learn in this course. So I've already told you what we're expected to learn. For example, for the Introduction to Computers, you're supposed to learn maybe the definition of a computer, the history, the role of ICT in business. So like here you're going to find detailed information of what you're going to learn in the course. For each unit you're going to have information. So I'm not gonna go through all the units, but you've seen the topics that we have. We have Introduction to Computers, we have computer components, operating systems and software, we have word processing and spreadsheet, we have data security and control, we have networks and internet, and finally you're gonna have the final exam. So I'm just gonna look at the first unit, I guess. Okay, so the first unit, if I open it up, you see there's the course topics. So basically here it's going to tell you what you are going to learn in this unit. So I'm not going to open that up. I'm just going to go straight into the module. So you can see here we have module 1. This is a file that contains information that you're supposed to read for this unit. So for example, you can see we have Introduction to Computers. This is our book, the Foxtel ICT book. So you can see this module only contains Introduction to Computers. So here you're going to find all the information, the reading materials that you need. All the explanations are very clear and the illustrations are okay. You're going to understand, there's no problem. So when you finish with the module, we're still in unit 1. When you finish with the module, what you can do is, if you want to have or you want to expand your understanding, we also include videos in some sections. If the videos are really required, we always include them so that you understand better. So here in unit 1 there are like 2-3 videos. Yeah, there is what is a computer, classification of computers, and the different generations of computers. So you can also watch these videos to deepen your understanding. Okay, so once you're done with the reading, you're done with the video, and let me see. Okay, so once you're done with the reading, we're still in unit 1. You're done with the reading, you're done with the video. So for unit 1, you can see there's an assignment. So this assignment requires you to submit a file, a Word file, a PDF file, or yeah, Word or PDF are the only accepted formats. So let me see. Okay, so you can see here you need to open this file. So there is a Word file that contains your assignment. So if I open it up, it'll get downloaded. You can open it up from your computer, and so you can see there is a Word file that contains questions that you need to answer for that assignment. So what is a computer? You write your answers. So once you write your answers, you need to save this file. When you save your file, you need to come to add submission under the same assignment. So just come at the bottom and go to add submission. You might have a different interface because I'm using the platform as an administrator. So you can go to your computer where you saved it. Okay, so you can just drag and drop it into the section. You see it will get like added here. Just click on save changes. Okay, so I've already submitted, so it can't allow me to like submit another one, because according to the way these assignment are designed, you can only submit one file. So if you try to submit another file, to say an error and something. So make sure when you're submitting your file, make sure you are very sure that the answers that you've written are correct and you don't need to make corrections afterwards. So after that, each unit is going to have a graded quiz. So this graded quiz contributes to your final course grade. So I can open up the first graded quiz. So usually I don't know, the number of questions in each quiz depends on the type of course. So I think for computer science it should be like 10 questions or 5 questions for each simple graded quiz, and the time that is allocated to these quizzes is 25 minutes. So if you're doing the quiz and then your time runs out, the platform is going to automatically submit your answers, and it's going to like mark only the answers that you've managed to add. So if you didn't answer some questions, you won't receive some marks for those questions. So you can see here they're like questions, multiple choice. They're all multiple choice questions. So what is wrong? So let me just select random values, and if you're sure that you don't need to go through, so your answers will be saved, and then you just need to go at the bottom here and submit all your answers. So when you submit your answers, immediately the platform is going to like tell you how many questions you got correct and how many questions you got wrong, and it will automatically grade you. So this graded quiz, you can only do it once. Once you are done, you cannot like retake the quiz again. So you just have to be careful when you're taking this quiz to avoid making errors. Alright, so basically that's the overview for this course. So like each unit has different information, recommended videos, and everything that you need to like pass the course. And at the end of it all, so there is also a grade section here where you can if you submit assignments, if you complete graded quiz, usually your grades. I'm acting as an administrator, so I can't see my grade book. So usually if you go to this section, it's going to show you the grades that you've received for each graded quiz or an assignment that you submitted. Then you can also go to this section to like see your fellow classmates, participants. It will usually show the name of the participant and also their email address in case you like want to write to them. So you can see here there's the email address and the name also. So yeah, so basically that's everything that you need to know with this computer science course. So yeah, and after the course, of course, after the final exam, I almost forgot about that. So there's a final exam over here. So the final exams is just a reflection of everything that you've learned over here. So if you managed to do the graded quiz perfectly, the final exam shouldn't be very hard, because the final exams contains the same questions from the graded quizzes. So just make sure you do the graded quizzes perfectly, and the final exam will be easy for you. So yeah, that was it for this video, and alright, bye, see you.